Molo, Guronlo, Kwakona, Ron here again. Hello. After having a meal, let's wash some dishes. Masihlambe izitya. Masihlambe izitya. So what has happened is we have finished eating. We qibile ukutya. We have finished eating. Qibile ukutya. And what do we have? We have a dish. Isitya. Dishes. Izitya. Dirty. Mdaka. Putting the two together, dirty dishes, we have izitya ezimdaka. So let's get on with washing the dishes. Ukuhlamba izitya. Mom says, Umama uti. John, please wash the dishes. John, nceda uhlambe izitya. John, nceda, please uhlambe izitya. Wash the dishes. All right, Mom. Kulungile, Mama. Water, amanzi. And we have the water, amanzi, and the sink, isinki. To fill, zalisa. John fills the sink with hot water. Ujohn uzalisa isinki ngamanzi ashushu. John, he fills the sink with water that is hot. Ujohn uzalisa isinki ngamanzi ashushu. The water is very hot. Amanzi ashushu kakhulu. Amanzi ashushu kakhulu. He therefore adds some cold water. Ugalela amanzi abandayo. So here we have amanzi ashushu, hot water, and amanzi abandayo, cold water. Soap, isepa. John adds some soap to the water. Ujohn ugalela isepa emanzini. Ujohn ugalela isepa emanzini. He puts the dishes into the water. Ufaka izitya emanzini. Ufaka izitya emanzini. He washes the dishes with soap and water. Uhlamba izitya ngesepha namanzi. Uhlamba izitya ngesepha namanzi. So we have here add, galela, to put into, faka, to wash, hlamba. Important vocabulary. Drying the dishes, ukomisa izitya. And here we have to place things, beka, the rack, ireki. He places the dishes on the rack. Ubeka izitya erekini. Ubeka izitya erekini. A dishcloth. Ifadukwe. Ifadukwe. Wipe. Sula. Sula. He wipes the dishes with a cloth. Sula izitya ngelapu, and it should actually have read ngefadukwe. Ngelapu or ngefadukwe. Either one is probably adequate. Putting the dishes away. Ukubeka izitya, to put away. Beka, cupboard. Ikabati, ikabati. He puts the dishes away in the cupboard. Ubeka izitya ekabatini. Ubeka izitya ekabatini. And he says, I have finished. Uti ndigqibile. Uti ndigqibile. And we have now finished washing the dishes. Inkosi kakhulu.